guys, I hope everyone is doing well. In this lesson, we're discussing how to convert an expanded form of quadratic expression into a completed square. Let's get started. So, we need to convert the given expression in this required form, which is a x plus p whole square plus q. So we start by expanding the right hand side. That gives us a square plus 2ab plus b square plus q. Let's further expand it. We get ax square plus 2apx plus ap square plus q. Also write 2x square plus 3x minus 4. Now let's start comparing the coefficients of x square on both sides. So this implies that 2 equals a. Now let's compare the coefficients of x on both sides. So we have 3 at one side and 2ap on the other side. This implies that 3 is equals to 2, a is already 2, and p. So p equals 3 upon 4. Now, time to compare the constants on both sides. So the constant here is minus 4 and the constant here is this entire thing, ap square plus q. So minus 4 equals to a is 2, p is 3 upon 4 whole square plus q. So that's minus 4 is equals to, what is this? 2 times 9 divided by 16 is 9 by 8 plus q, which means q would be equals to minus 4 minus 9 by 8, which gives minus 41 over 8. So now the completed square form of this expression can be written as a outside the brackets, so 2, and then x plus p is 3 upon 4 whole square plus q is minus 41 over 8. So the next part of this question is asking us to find the coordinates of the turning point. To find the coordinates of the turning point, that is where this graph turns, you have to simply equate this to 0. So x plus 3 over 4 equals 0. That means x equals minus 3 over 4. So minus 3 over 4 is the x coordinate and the y coordinate is this value with the same sign. So these are the coordinates of the turning point or the stationary point. Okay, so next question. Write 8 plus 7x minus x square in the form a minus x minus b whole square. Let's get started. 8 plus 7x minus x square equals a minus, I'm going to expand the bracket, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and then that's equals to a minus x square plus 2bx minus b square. So minus x square plus 2bx, and the constants are a minus b square. I'm going to rearrange the first equation in this form, the left hand side in the same form as well. So minus x square plus 7x plus 8 times, to start comparing the coefficients. So minus x square is just equals to minus x square. We're not gaining anything from here. Then the coefficient of x is plus 7. The coefficient of x is 2b. So it's going to be 7 is equals to 2b. b is equals to 7 upon 2, which is 3.5. Now we have to find the value of a. So let's equate the constants on both sides. So we have 8 over here and Yeah, so 8 on one side and a minus b square on the other side. So 8 equals a minus b, we already know, is 3.5 whole square. So 8 plus 3.5 whole square, sorry, 8 plus 3.5 whole square is going to be 20.25. So a equals 20.25. So the completed square form is going to be a, which is 20.25, negative sign, brackets, and entering values in this expression, x minus 3.5 whole square. Okay, the next part is, hence state the maximum value of this expression. So we already have it in completed square form, and it says hence, that means we have to use the completed square form. So hence state the maximum value of this and the value of x at which it occurs. So the maximum value is basically this value. The graph of this expression will be an upside down or an inverted parabola, and this will be the maximum value, that is the value of y. So what's going to be the value of y over here? It's going to be, in fact, I'm just going to write the coordinates of turning point from the completed square form. For that, you equate this to 0, which gives us x equals 3.5. So the coordinates of x are 3.5 and the coordinates of y are just this value. So 20.25. So the turning point is 3, 20.25. So part 2 is hence state the maximum value of this expression. The maximum value is 20.25, which you can directly write from here. This is the maximum value, and state the value of x at which it occurs. So this should be 3.5, not 3. So it occurs at x is equals to 3.5. So you don't actually have to draw the sketch, as long as you can remember that this is the x coordinate of the turning point after equating it to 0, and this is the y coordinate of the turning